There is a new way how people make money online with Google Maps this year, and I decided to try how this works for myself. Essentially, the way people do it is by offering a free website as a bait to attract clients, but later upselling them something completely different and more profitable. The money is in the upsells, as I learned. I will show you how I approach this in 4 steps myself, but this video should not be treated as financial advice or recommendation to start a business. First of all, I'm heading over to Google Maps and typing in solar companies. As you can see, there is a ton of solar companies, okay? And my goal is to find the ones that actually don't have a website attached on Google Maps. Now, with that in mind, I need to actually go through quite a lot of companies until I find one, but as you can see on the screen right now, I actually just found one. With that in mind, I'm gonna copy their business name, address, and the phone number. I'm gonna create a new Google Sheet document, and I'm gonna put all of that info there. This is super useful for the following reasons. First of all, I'm gonna be able to track the leads that I'm actually going to be contacting. I'm going to be able to track the progress, whether they're interested or not. Also, I'm going to have their contact infos all in one place. This is super useful. And also, if I'm going to be doing any follow-ups in the future, sometime down the line, I can quickly come back here and see if I followed up or not. My goal for this attempt is going to be to find 5 leads. As you can see, most of these companies actually do have websites, so it will be a bit challenging, but I'm gonna find 5. As you can see, I'm speeding up. Now, with that in mind, we're moving to my step 2, building a website for them. Now, this is going to be done actually for free, so I can do it completely for free. Now, I'm gonna do it using the software called Go High Level. Now, it'll take me like 30 seconds to do it. So as you can see, I'm creating a sub account. So in my Go High Level, I have a sub account for all kinds of different businesses that I want to add on my dashboard. So I'm choosing home and services, okay? And with that in mind, I'm essentially going to create them a sub account within my Go High Level account. I'm gonna add the details of their business, supposedly. So I'm actually gonna use my own details for now, just to illustrate this point. And a lot of people are actually doing it the same way, because before the client is confirmed client, I'm just gonna use my details. And if I actually get that client, then I'm gonna switch the details. With that in mind, I'm switching into their dashboard. Now that's how it looks like if they would be my client already. So I'm heading over to sites, and I'm looking for a tool called Creating a Website. So they have a blank kind of website builder, and they also have a ton of templates as well. So my goal here is to spend as little time as possible, because I still don't know if I'm gonna land them as a client or not. So I only want to spend about 10 to 30 seconds to create such a website. So I'm looking for solar templates. So that is going to be almost matching their business. That's exactly my goal. So as you can see, I'm able to find a solar website. It's absolutely pretty crazy, because essentially what I'm doing is I'm spending 20 seconds to create such a website. All I need to do is basically, of course, update their details, because honestly, you cannot just offer raw templates. So as we move to the next step is the reach out. So once I essentially personalize the template by adding their logo and adding some of their informations, there's really 2 major ways for this particular strategy. First of all, as you can see on the screen, cold calling, and second is actually walking in. So you can do the walk-ins, right, for the businesses that are locally in your area, and cold calls is basically for the businesses that are far or even in another country. You could also do the email marketing route as well, but for this strategy where they're not having a website, typically they won't gonna have their email. And the 4th step is, of course, the upselling. So once the business is using my website and seeing results, there's a lot of things that I can upsell, okay? So, for example, missed call text back, automatically text back missed calls. Sorry, we missed your call. How can we help? This alone can save lost leads and make business money. Google reviews, okay? So if they're getting more reviews, and if I'm automating them, review management, review collection, and stuff like that, it can actually contribute a lot of money to their bottom line. And a lot of businesses these days really heavily rely on reviews. Like, some good reviews can actually make or break a business. And also there's one more thing, which is database reactivation. So using their phone numbers, emails, and stuff like that they already have to send promos to bring some of their customers back. And finally, you could also offer a ton of different automations, as you can see on the screen right now. There's whole sequences already within the Go High Level. You don't even have to do this. If you actually go and check out automations, create workflow, you'll find many ready-to-use systems. However, I would spend a bit more time learning how they work before offering them. Some of them are really complicated, okay? But they offer a huge amount of value when it comes to automating someone's business. But once you do that, these automations can help businesses to save money, save time, and make them more money. But of course, I don't guarantee any results with this, and using Go High Level is up to you to find your own clients. Well, one thing is evident from data online is that the web design market is continuing to grow into the next years. Whether you're doing upselling or not, it's up to you, but the web design market is actually growing. And by the way, on Go High Level, you can also actually charge people for making these websites. So you don't have to offer the website for free. You can also actually offer it as a paid monthly service. So if you need a Go High Level account, I'm gonna drop a link in the description and a pinned comment, which is going to give you 30-day free trial with my link. It's more than 14 days on their official website. I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching this video. And if you're new to my channel, check out the various challenges and tutorials that I have in store using Canva, using Google Maps, using YouTube, ChatGPT, High Level, Upwork, and stuff like that to earn money online. So check it out, and I'll see you there.